clouds like this before. Oh boy. There's twirling, man. There's a spin here. I see leaves. Leaves are twirling in a pattern. They are moving, circulating. I'm trying to outrun this. I don't know how wise this is, but I'll be darned if something's not happening here. It is like a little rotation. Oh, we got a twister here. Folks, we got a twister. I was going to go down that road, but I think I might avoid it. Alrighty, folks. Stay safe. They're twisting. I'm on 75 and Gary. Down Jennings. It's a twister, and I'm staying out of it.